Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon seal. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle coming in for the highlight. Then we'll add a smaller circle along the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes along the bottom, we're going to draw an oval for the muzzle, starting right in the center. Come all the way around, go across the bottom, and then back up toward the top. Along the top, let's draw a small oval for the nose, and we'll fill that in black. From the center of the nose, let's draw the mouth. We're going to come down and up toward the left, and then the right side. Let's move out and draw the outside perimeter of the head. We're going to start on the left side, all the way around, up toward the top, and then bring that down and in on the right side. Let's add two small dots along the inside, and then along the bottom we're going to add the whiskers. Start with a straight line coming in, move down and draw one coming down and out. From the left side of the head, let's move down and draw on the fin. We'll start with a curve coming down and out, round this out, come in, and then up. Now I want to move down and draw on the body. We're going to come down, go around the right side, just tuck this in underneath the head. Now I want to take this fin and flip it over in behind the body. So we're going to start by coming down and out, round up the fin, and just tuck that back in. Let's go over towards the left side of the head. We're going to draw the body, going out and then down. Let's add the tail. We're going to go up, around and then in. Let's add another one coming down. Then we'll close off the body with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a seal. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.